Kailan ako work? Doon kina Ate Shine.
Bakit kayo
Ikaw po, ilang taon ka na po? Po? 3. No. You're already 4. Already. 4 years old. Patingin ng hands mo. Patingin ng finger mo. Ilan po yung 4? 5 to. Ito 4. Ayan. 4. Anong favorite mo pong color?
Rainbows.
Rainbow color?
Colors kulay yellow and green and black.
Okay. Namimiss mo na si Daddy? Ha? Hindi mo namimiss si Daddy? Bakit?
May food. Uy, may yan.
Bakit po hindi mo namimiss si Daddy? Kasi po,
A snail! A snail!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.